Welcome to Maschituts. In this tutorial we will have a look at how to add anchor points in Adobe Illustrator. For this purpose I will first use the shape builder tool here in our toolbar to actually draw a triangle. However, please note that adding anchor points always works in the same way, and it doesn't matter if your shape is a triangle, a rectangle, or maybe even a circle. So now that the shaper tool is selected, I'm simply going to draw my rectangle here, and Illustrator will do the rest of the job for us. And now to add an anchor point in Adobe Illustrator, you would have to make sure to select the Add Anchor Point tool in your toolbar. The Add Anchor Point tool might be already in your toolbar, but if it is not, as is the case here with my toolbar, then you would have to click on those three dots here at the bottom of the toolbar and then make sure to add the Add Anchor Point tool, which in my case is located here, so it is basically the pen tool with a plus symbol here in the top left corner. To add it to your toolbar, simply left click on it, and it will then be added to your toolbar. In your case, it is possible that the Add Anchor Point tool is already in the toolbar. Maybe it is located here under the pen tool. You could always right click on your pen tool and then you will see all the tools that are located under the pen tool. You can obviously do that for all the other tools as well. So for example, if I right click here on the paintbrush tool, you will see that you will have other tools there appearing that you can select and then use. Now, in order for us to use the Add Anchor Point tool, all that is left for us to do is to first of all make sure that the Add Anchor Point tool is selected here. And then you can simply add anchor points by hovering over a certain path on your design and then just left click on your mouse to add an anchor point. So I will add one here, maybe one here, maybe one here, and one more here. And as you can see, these additional anchor points have now been added to our design. And that's it, guys. This is how you add anchor points in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.